Before I came to Germany in Afghanistan, I didn't know about any religions that much, unless my religion. I didn't know that what do they believe, why there are lots of religions, why people follow different religions, what is the reasons, because I thought that Islam is the best religion in the world that there is, but I was wrong, because people believe in something and they follow it. No idea is wrong, ideas are just different.
That's what I would say. We have a lot of bad examples of what religion has done. People are coming.
I am here this morning, I was here this morning, and I enjoyed very much to teach about Sufism with these beautiful young people. With so many colors of religions they came, I asked them all which religion you are.
When you sit down in the class, and at least when I start, I introduce myself and I have everybody else introduce themselves. I think that's the highlight that tops it all, because you see everyone from all over the world uniting, coming together in one class. It's unbelievable.
And what I just found in this recent workshop was that I find it really valuable if kids that age, especially where they're, before they've fully formed their adult life and probably before they've made many of their life choices, if young people can be exposed to different worldviews, as simple as that, and just get the feel for what difference does a worldview really make.
I think more than religion, it's very important for us, for humanity, that we should have a very kind and nice heart, and having laugh with each other. It's more important for me. And for example, when I communicate or when I start speaking or talking to some people, when I see them that they're very nice people, I don't care what religion do they have.